You need to set up triggers to collect logging data. Currently, there are 3 types of triggers that can be set in Brew: periodic, value change, and script. Periodic collects data at regular intervals. This is useful when you want to constantly monitor the status of equipment. Value change collects only when the set Brew variable value changes. For example, this is useful when recording information such as title and number of copies when outputting from a printer. Scripts are collected when the block script conditions are met. It is possible to set more complex conditions than value change. Now let's take a look at the details of each setting. If you set condition type to periodic in the logging group properties, the unit and frequency properties will be displayed. For example, if unit is set to 100 milliseconds and frequency is set to 5, logging data will be collected every 500 milliseconds. You can pause collection at any timing by checking the interlock setting. For example, create the bool variable called trend_interlock. Then assign it to the interlock property. Similarly, assign the trend_interlock variable to the switch for operation checking too. Let's check the behavior. The collection will be stopped when the bool variable turns on. While the trend graph is stopped, a gray frame is displayed like this, indicating that data could not be collected. Next, let's take a look at the value change trigger. First, create the bool variable called trend_trigger. Next, select value change as the condition type. 3 types can be selected for execution type: on, off, and then change. Set it to on change. And register a bool variable trend_trigger. Create the switch for operation confirmation and assign the bool variable trend_trigger. In this way, the collection will perform only when the bool variable changes. Finally, let's take a look at script triggers. Set condition type to script. This time, when the switch is pressed, the script condition will be executed. Place a touch trigger. And combine it with the data logging script. The settings are now complete. Every time you press the switch, the collection will perform. Of course, you can also create more complex programs by combining if conditions, logical conditions, etc.